And now, Adam Schiff reads nursery rhymes.
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread, and whipped them all soundly and put them to bed. A wise course of action.
And now, Adam Schiff reads nursery rhymes.
Little Jack Horner sat in the corner eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." Or was he?
Oh my God.
And now, Adam Schiff reads nursery rhymes.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Mr. Dumpty and his fondness for walls represent support of our corrupt president. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Clearly a reference to the fall of our democracy under President Trump.